Did you know that Americans buy over 12 billion rounds of ammunition every year? This staggering number is a testament to the sheer demand and consumption of ammunition in the United States. That's enough to circle the Earth multiple times. Imagine the sheer volume and the logistics involved in producing and distributing such quantities. This simple fact highlights the enormous scale of the ammunition industry. Factories operate around the clock to meet this insatiable demand. It's a multi-billion-dollar market driven by various factors, from personal protection to hunting and recreational shooting. Each type of ammunition serves a specific purpose and caters to different needs. But behind these bullets lies a fascinating world of wealth, innovation, and challenges. The industry is constantly evolving with advancements in technology and changes in regulations. When we think of wealth, we often picture tech giants or real estate moguls, those who have made their mark in Silicon Valley or the bustling real estate markets. But the ammunition industry has its own set of powerful players, often overlooked but equally influential. These are the CEOs, inventors and family businesses that have built their empires one bullet at a time through innovation and perseverance. Their stories are as diverse as the types of ammunition they produce, each with a unique journey and a distinct vision. From legacy brands passed down through generations, where tradition meets modernity, to innovative startups disrupting the market with cutting-edge technology and fresh ideas, the ammunition industry is a world of its own. The path to success in the ammo world is not without its hurdles. Government regulations, fluctuating raw material costs, and fierce competition are just a few of the challenges manufacturers face. Add to that the cyclical nature of demand, influenced by political climates and public sentiment, and you have an industry that demands adaptability and resilience. Section 4. The Golden Bullets Unveiling Ammo's Elite. Not all ammunition is created equal. Some rounds command a premium price due to their specialized purpose, limited availability, or use of rare and expensive materials. From armor-piercing rounds used by military and law enforcement to handcrafted hunting cartridges prized for their accuracy, a hierarchy exists even within the world of bullets. In Section 5, the unexpected truth about wealthy ammo. You might assume that the most expensive ammunition is always the most deadly, designed for maximum impact and efficiency. However, the truth is far more nuanced and complex than it appears at first glance. Often the real value lies in precision engineering, historical significance, or the sheer craftsmanship involved in creating these pieces. Collectors and enthusiasts are willing to pay a premium for rare or antique cartridges, recognizing their unique qualities and stories. These bullets are not just ammunition. They are valuable artifacts, cherished for their history and the skill required to make them. Section 6. The final round ammo's lasting impact. The ammunition industry is more than just bullets and profits. It's a reflection of societal trends, technological advancements, and even our relationship with firearms. Understanding its complexities provides a unique perspective on history, economics, and the human desire for both security and recreation. Section 7. Join the conversation. What are your thoughts on the ammunition industry? Share your opinions and engage in a meaningful discussion about this complex and often misunderstood market.